Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And right now I will be listening to Sushin Sham's new song drop, which is called Ray. So we have a music video, the video is subtitled, all of it is there, yes. So I don't want to delay this any further. It's almost 7 minutes. That is awesome. The more of Sushin Sham I get to listen to, the better. So let's watch the song and listen to the song right away. So in the description it's written, my first step into independent music. I don't know what Ray will mean to you, but for me it's a beginning, a piece of who I am. Please, Sushin, we need more of you in the independent music scene. That'll be just music to our ears as listeners. So yes, let's watch this. So for him, it's a beginning, like a ray of hope, huh?
ജലമൗനം തേടും വേരുകൾ ചുവടേ ഇതിൽ നീർത്താൻ വൈകും നേരുകൾ ഇവിടെ തുലാക്കാലം കുടപോൽ നീട്ടും ചെറുകോണിൻ
So everyone is staring at him because of the blue hair. Oh my god! I'm sorry. I didn't think I would get so excited seeing the brand name, but that is the exact Walkman I had, and I think the first color TV that we got was Aiwa. Oh my god, that's just bringing back. That's just the way the nostalgia just hit me. Okay, that's crazy. Oh, okay. Okay, this music is so cool. It has that intergalactic feel. So you found a friend. instrumentals. Wow.
പുറംതോടിനുള്ളിൽ നുഴയും
Oh, his planet got destroyed. Oh.
വിളയുന്നു ഞാനാം തിളക്കം അരികെ കിനാനാളം തിരിയായി വെമ്പും ആഴമാകെ തെളിയേ പല ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ വഴിമാറുന്നു തനിയേ പുറമേ.
Look at this video, is incredible. Wow. That kind of teared me up. All right. So the blue haired guy is Sushin. Oh my god. Oh, so beautiful. I loved it. I loved it. I think this song is, it is about the lyrics. The lyrics are nice, but it's more about the instrumentals and how it kind of lifts you up. Shout out to all of these guys. Blue Boy, Alien Boy. Yes, all of them. Beautiful. Now that, okay, let me stop this. Now that Sushin Shyam has started this journey of producing independent songs, yes to all of this, yes to more of this. And it's not just that the song is so thoughtful, it is the whole packaging of it. Because now when I watch this video, you can see, firstly with the credits only, you can see the amount of people actually involved in bringing this to fruition. So this is a very well thought out project. I'm sure he's not just randomly dropped a song. There is a plan in place. There is, because he clearly says that this is the beginning, so there is clearly a plan in place. He has thought of, okay, how this next 1 year or maybe next 2 year journey is going to look like. He has put up his concept in front of whatever his team is. Then this is the first step to that. This is the first drop basically. And if you see the video, you can already see it is so much well thought out. A lot of thought has gone into the instrumental part of it, which is really, really nice. The way it starts and the way the music builds as the song progresses, and it just leaves you in such a high. I don't know if this is going to be like a storyline, if the second song is related to this one or it is completely different. That we'll have to wait and watch. But I absolutely love this. Not just because of how beautiful the visuals are, but because of how beautiful the instrumentals are. The instrumentals are the ones who's just provoking all of these emotions inside of me. And then you back it up with such strong visuals. Just the underlying message is so beautiful. It is hope, it is acceptance, and it is just, initially we see the entire all the people. Initially they view the younger Sushin as someone who's very different, just because of probably his hair color. It's blue, right? So it's like very alienating. And then an actual alien comes, and if you see later, everybody becomes very accepting. right? So I think it is the fear of the unknown which keeps us aloof, that okay, I don't want to explore this. That's the fear talking. But this has shown the acceptance part of it as well. So so beautifully these emotions have been portrayed. I think in the first musical piece, I loved when the two kids meet, that the entire instrumentation there's so many instruments at play, so many, and I love that intergalactic feel there. And when the younger Sushin, the blue haired kid, takes the alien to the family, if you see, there's the whole shift in music. It's more warm, it's more embracing, like it embraces you like a warm hug basically. It's so beautiful. Loved it. All of this is great, and I think we need more of this. I want all of the singers and composers to start producing independent music, because we so need it. We need like a parallel revolution in music. That's what I feel. So yes, this was great, so much worth it. So glad Sushin Sham is doing this. So hoping for more and more drops. Let's see if we get more drops this year. I'm actually excited and looking forward to it. So yeah, that's it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. These were my thoughts, and I'm going to sign off now from this video. That was my reaction. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.